Hello everyone and welcome to the channel How Do I Do It. I bring you a tip that you will like and will be very useful in your meetings, parties, birthdays, or simply to watch a movie or have a good time. What to do when there are more potatoes than containers to put them in, since we realize that we only have one or two and they are too small for all the potatoes as seen below. This is really simple. We just take the bag of potatoes that we want to make a container, open it, and in this case we fold the top so that it looks a little better or more aesthetic. As I show you in the video, this is completely optional and you can do it or not. That will depend on you, but I highly recommend it. Since we fold the top inward, we take the bag from the bottom, and what we are going to do is start to put it in, raising the potatoes little by little so as not to break them, as seen below. Take your time to do it carefully and get it right. We will notice that the potatoes will come out and we will leave them at a height that they stick out but do not overflow. We rearrange the top of the bag so that it looks neater and thus gives it the appearance of a container. Once we have arranged it, we can see that if we put it on the table it will look like a container in the color of the original bag and all its logo. We repeat the process with the other bags. We open them, but in this case we will not fold the upper edges, so you can check that they still look very good. But I leave this to you since you can fold them or not. We grab the bag from below and we raise the potatoes little by little, remembering to break them. You will see the potatoes coming out, and here remember to be careful not to overflow them so that they look good. Since they are at the height we want, we put them together with the others and you will see that they hold perfectly and look great, and ready for your guests, without having to put them on disposable plates or worse yet on normal plates, and then having to wash more. In this close-up we can better appreciate how the containers made with the same bags look, without needing to have extra bowls and without the tiring task of washing them, and within perfect reach to enjoy them with a dip on the side or just like that. If you liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and most importantly share. Like the Facebook page and remember to watch the other videos, as I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.